Hey there, welcome to Flatbread Friday. It's already the middle of October, and today we're going to do a simple but yummy pepperoni and hot honey pizza. If you remember, a while back, I made my own hot honey with hot peppers from my garden, and it came out really good, and I want to use it up, and that's why we're doing this today, so let's get it on. We're going to start by prepping our pizza crust. And that starts with flour on work surface and on your hands. And shape it up. Here comes one of those great big dough balls from the fresh market. It has become my favorite pizza dough. Nice and easy to work with. You just stretch it out. Pop any of the air bubbles that create and then stretch it out from the middle. And now we're gonna put it back down on our work surface and make it the shape of our pizza pan. Our crust is all laid out, panned up. The oven's heating to 450 degrees, and now comes time for sauce. Let's spread that around and see how it goes. I like to do the outer edges first. Gives you more control over what's going to seep off the edge. And the middle is easier to do. And pretty soon we'll be all sauced up. Our sauce is on. It's a little more than I usually use, but I think it's going to be okay. Here comes some shredded mozzarella. Spread that all around. All cheesed up. It's getting kind of heavy. It's getting kind of heavy. Now it's time for our pepperoni. This pepperoni is also from the fresh market, and this is what they use on their pizzas. And we're gonna just line up our slices. Here's a pepperoni on top of our pizza. And we're gonna finish this off with my favorite shaved 4-cheese Italian blend. It's gonna give it a little crust, a little sharpness. That'll go good with the heat and the sweet. And when this layer is down, we are going in the oven. Ready to go. It's going in for about 20 minutes. Our delicious browned and bubbly pepperoni pizza is out of the oven. Here's what we look like close up. It really did get very browned, but it smells great. It's gonna taste great. And now we're gonna slice it and serve it. Here is our flatbread of the week, pepperoni pizza. And now we're going to garnish it with hot honey. And I had some scallions left over from something I made previously. And I'm going to use some of that too, because scallions go good with sweet and heat. I put the honey back in its bottle when I made the hot honey, and it's perfect for drizzling like this. Looking nice. It's going to add a little something something to this guy. And here comes a little bit of green and a little bit of onioniness. I was thinking I should have used basil instead, but I want to use these up before I lose them. So, looking good. Here we have it, our spicy pepperoni, hot honey, and scallion pizza. And it's going to be really good. It looks tasty. It smells delightful. And we're gonna enjoy this for our Friday night supper. Thank you for joining me while I used up some of my hot honey on this guy, our pepperoni, hot honey and scallion flatbread. It's not a flatbread, it's a pizza, but it's Flatbread Friday, so that's why I said that. And we will see you again soon.